Hello everyone. This is the lecture for class 3rd, subject English. And this is your lecture 1 of lesson 1, sentences. You very well read about sentences in the previous class, but today I will also teach you regarding the sentences. So let's proceed. First of all, I will tell you about the letters. So here are the few letters on the screen: A, N, G, M, O, S, E. And with the help of these letters, we will make a word, that is mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. Now we will take more letters: H-I-C-L-D-E-N-R. So these are the letters, and with the help of these letters we will make a word, that is children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Now I will take more letters, O-V-E-L, and with the help of these letters I will make a word, that is L-O-V-E. So now we have 3 words: mangoes, children, love. So when we arrange the words in a systematic order and they make sense, that is called a sentence. So I arrange these words: children love mangoes. Children love mangoes. So this is a sentence. In this way, you have to arrange the words in sentence. Now I will tell you the definition of sentence. The definition of sentence is: a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense when put together. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense when put together. For example, I am a boy. This cup is blue. I will paint the mug. Now I will tell you the things which you have to keep in your mind while making the sentences. A sentence must begin with capital letter. That means when you start writing the sentence, your first alphabet should be capital. A sentence must have commas, full stops, and other such marks in the correct place. The commas, full stop, and other such marks are called punctuation marks. And you have to keep in mind that a sentence must make sense. That means the words which you arrange have a sense. A sentence must have a subject. Now, how to frame sentence? How you will frame a sentence? I will tell you the structure of the sentence. Subject plus verb. For example, he plays. He is subject over here and plays is verb. So this is a sentence: he plays. First alphabet is capital, and in the end we put a full stop. Now the second formation: subject plus verb plus object. For example, cows eat grass. Cows is subject, eat is verb, and grass is object. So again it is a sentence, and the first alphabet is capital, and in the last the punctuation mark is full stop. Radha is drinking milk. Radha subject, first alphabet is capital, is drinking is verb, over here is helping verb, and milk is object. So these are the things which you have to take care that your subject and verb should be there, and in few sentences subject plus verb plus object is there. Now arrange the words in correct order to make a sentence. The first example for it is boys are the swimming, and the sentence will be the boys are swimming. The boys are swimming. Second, am I 8 old years? Now the sentence will be I am 8 years old. I am 8 years old. I hope you understand that first there are the words which are jumbled, and you have to use these unjumbled words to make a correct sentence by arranging these words in a correct order. So in this way you have to make sentence. So now it's time for homework. Arrange the group of words given below in correct order. So this is your homework time, and I am giving you few sentences to do. You have to do these sentences in your notebook, and you have to first make a proper format. First of all, you have to write the date, homework, and lesson 1. And your homework is to arrange the group of words given below in correct order. So your first group of word is here. Your work must do regularly. You. So these are the group of words, and the first one I am doing for you so that you are able to do the other ones. So the sentence for that is you must do your homework regularly. So over here I kept in mind that my first alphabet should be capital, and in the end I put a punctuation mark, that is full stop. Now B part you have to do books, the cells on there are. So you have to arrange them in a sentence. C part, the park in the boys are playing. So again you have to arrange these words. D part, is the dog animal a faithful? E part, children good the truth always tell. Again you have to arrange in a sentence, and you have to take care that first alphabet should be capital, and in the end or wherever it is needed you have to put punctuation mark. Now F part, my birthday 16th July on is. My birthday 16th July on is. G part, often goes my uncle by plane to Delhi. Now you have to take care while making these sentences that you have to put the first alphabet capital, in the end or wherever it is needed you have to put the punctuation marks, and wherever it is needed you have to put capital letters also. So you have to take care while doing the homework. Your homework should be neat and clean, and it should be done in a separate notebook. So you have to make a proper format and do your homework accordingly. First of all, goes through the lecture twice and then start doing the homework, so that you came to know that while doing the homework, the things which you have to keep in mind, and your homework should be correct. Try your best and hoping best that you will do it correctly. Thank you.